In case you are wondering how to start a faceless YouTube channel, this video is for you because in this video, I'll walk you through how to use Ossa AI to generate viral videos that you can share on all your social media platforms. Take a look at this. This YouTube channel has 78,300 subscribers and only 62 fact videos. The channel uses this AI tool that I am going to talk about to create viral videos and in return gets thousands of views and subscribers. You can create similar viral short videos in 5 minutes using this tool, Ossa AI. Before we dive into the video, let me welcome you back to Ray Creators Lab, where we discuss everything about AI and online tools that you can use to streamline your everyday tasks and businesses. If you are new here, kindly subscribe to my channel by hitting the subscribe button, like and share this video. And if you have an AI tool in mind that you want me to make a video about, kindly let me know in the comment section. Also, don't forget to turn on the notification button so you'll be the first to receive our videos when we make them. Let me quickly remind you that using Ossa AI is super easy, and you don't have to waste time on manual editing because Ossa AI does everything for you. So, with Ossa AI, you can create AI videos in seconds. To try this tool, don't worry. I have included the link in the description below. Just follow the link and sign up to start using Ossa AI for free.
Dogs exhibit varying speeds depending on their breed.
So, as I said earlier, using Ossa AI is super simple. You don't need to do much. Now, let me show you how to use it. Just follow these simple steps. First off, follow the link I have provided in the description below. It will take you to their website. Once you are there, sign up using your email. Then, the next thing you want to do is to select a voice. Once that is done, select the visual style you want. Then, select the subtitle font. Next, insert your script or use their Ossa AI GPT to generate a script. Submit your script, and then get your video generated. In case you don't know how to go about the script, here is how to generate scripts for free using Ossa AI. 1. Follow the link to the Ossa AI GPT storytelling scriptwriter I provided in the description below. 2. Click on Create a Storytelling Short Form Script and give all the details. Then, finally, 3. Get your script generated. It's that simple. there you have it. That's how easy and simple it is to create viral videos using Ossa AI. Kindly let me know what you think about this tool in the comment section. Don't forget to support this channel by subscribing. So, hit the subscribe button on your screen now. Turn on the notification as well so you can get my videos when I make them. You can also check out my other videos about the other AI tools you should be using for your daily workflow.